Hello guys, my name is Linus and welcome to my channel where I create videos that teach you how to make money online and also assist you to scale your online business. If you're new to my channel, I say welcome and I urge you to subscribe to my channel, hit that like button and also turn on the bell notification so that each time I upload new videos, YouTube is going to notify you of such videos. And if you're a returning subscriber, I say thank you for being part of my journey. And please, I beg you to like this video and also share it among your family members and friends. So guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to earn in dollars in Nigeria. Here I'm going to be teaching you a very secret method that is going to help you to earn in dollars here in Nigeria. I'm also going to walk you through the step-by-step guide and the platform that you need for you to be able to start making this money as quickly as possible. So guys, the only thing I urge you is to watch this video from beginning to the end so that you're not going to miss any step. Please do not just watch this video from the beginning and stop and also start to implement what you've not actually known. Make sure that you watch this video, pay attention to every step I'm going to talk about here from the beginning to the end. And when you finish, I also encourage you that watch this video for the very first time, then stop it, watch it the second one, then start implementing whatever thing I'm going to teach you here. By the time you follow all these processes we are going to learn here today, definitely you will start earning in dollars here in Nigeria. I'm going to also reveal to you the platform and the system that you are going to use to receive your money paid to you here. Guys, if you're ready for this particular business that I'm going to talk about here, let's go to my computer screen. What I'll be teaching you today on how to earn in dollars in Nigeria is running errands for people who are not chanced, and they will in turn pay you in dollars. And we're going to discuss some platforms that we can use to sell this service. The first one you have to do is go to fiverr.com. fiverr.com. Now, when fiverr.com opens, then you search for, let's look at what people are actually doing on Fiverr as per running errands. Then you now write errands. So when Fiverr opens completely, you have running errands. In this place, okay, you have so many people that are selling this service on Fiverr. This person say, I'll run errands for you in Paris, France. I'll run errands and do your work professionally in Minecraft. I'll run errands and Minecraft for you in Minecraft. So what we have to do now is let's localize it. You come here and click local sellers. If you click this local sellers, it's going to bring you down to what people who are in Nigeria are selling as per this particular service. Then when you bring it down to Nigeria, these are local sellers that we have here. Okay, these are people that are doing it in Nigeria. This person says, I will run errands for you in Nigeria. I will run any legal errands for you in Nigeria. I will be your virtual assistant and run any errands for you from Nigeria for you. I will run errands and do anything for you right here in Nigeria. Then this person is charging for £5 for her services. This one is charging £99. This one is charging £10. This one is charging £20. This one is charging £10, and the rest of them. Now, what you can do is this. You have actually seen the average amount of money that people are charging for this kind of service. So I can urge you to reduce your own at least. Don't do your own to be more than this. Maybe the highest person here, maybe like this person that has up to £99, you can bring it down to either £5 or £10. Now, what you have to do is this. For you to be able to sell this service, you are going to get a profile on fiverr.com. Then you come to Fiverr here. Let me just log out from my own profile already and see how we're going to create a new profile for you here. So when you say I'm going to create, okay, we have here join Fiverr. You click join and you sign up. So what you have to do is this. Let's look at the processes of signing up on Fiverr. Okay, it says here you can continue with Google, you can continue with email, you can continue with your Apple or Facebook or your Facebook. Okay, now let me open a new tab. Open a new tab, sign in with my own, and use. So you can just click here. Okay, you can use any of these things to click in, either with your email, with your Google, with your Apple, or with your. Since I already have an account with Fiverr, let me just log in and show you how this thing is going to be done. So if you're a new person, you need to sign up, and once you sign up, let me show you how you can replicate the kind of gigs that people are already doing. Now if you sign up here, what you have to do, okay, now let's open one of these people. Now this person that is doing her own errand services at the rate of £5. She says, I will run errands for you in Nigeria. And she has actually done about 4 jobs and she has a rating of 4.5. Now, she had 2 days delivery. Then simple, okay, now we have the basic, we have standard, and we have the premium. So what you have to do is this. If you want to set up your own errand running services on Fiverr, you can come and look at this person's gig already. Just look at what this person has actually done. You don't need to reinvent the wheel. You just try as much as possible to copy whatever thing she has done here. But what I have to advise you is this. Please do not copy exactly what this person is doing here. Just find out those things you are able to do here for people who are not chanced here in Nigeria. For instance, now this person says, as a lawyer and virtual assistant, integrity and confidentiality is my watchword. And that is why I am the best person to help you do the following: errands and deliveries within Nigeria, real estate, phone calls, agent mediator duties, market survey, pickup and deliveries of documents, booking of hotels, flight tickets, serviced apartments in Lagos, Nigeria, gift shopping, packaging and deliveries. Now it is not left for you to find out exactly what you think you can do. What and what can you think you can do? If what this person is exactly what you can do, what this person has done is what you can do, what I will advise you is to copy this person's gig. Copy this person's gig. If you subscribe newly to this, copy this person's gig. Now you can come to ChatGPT, for instance. Then let ChatGPT rewrite this thing for you, so that everything will be, will still be the same thing. You still be selling the same service, probably with different English. You can come to ChatGPT, say, rewrite the following gig for me: maintaining the original information. When you send, then you paste the gig. Okay, you now paste the gig that you copied before. Send it to ChatGPT. Let it write it for you here. So what you have to do is, when ChatGPT writes this thing for you, you copy it, use it to create your own gig. Like I said, try as much as possible to remove those things you cannot do. If what this person has here is what you can do, just copy all of them
remove the person's name. If you don't want ChatGPT to write it for you, just like what it has written for me here, you can remove it, remove the person's name and copy it word for word and put in your own gig. If not, you just copy what I've written. It says, "Greetings, I am Amy." You put your name here. Your trusted go-to person for handling tasks you wish you could manage yourself. If you were in Nigeria, I'm your reliable connection. With a background as both a lawyer and a virtual assistant, I will put the highest. That is to have a lawyer. If you're not a lawyer, you just remove it. Put what you are, or you may totally remove everything about what you are. Put it in a way that it is going to be enticing to customers. Create your own gig and put your own price. I just want you to know that please do not put a particular price that will be so you know high for customers. Like this person has 4.92 pounds. You can make your own £4. Then in standard, we have 19.67 pounds. You can make your own 19. And in premium, she has 29.51 pounds. You can make your own 29. And the rest of them, then copy this person's gig. That's everything you're going to do. Copy it and put your own gig and start selling your services. Then the second website where you can put this kind of service also is we have freelancer.com. Go to freelancer.com, create an account, create a profile, publish your gig, and start selling. Another place again you have is Upwork. You have upwork.com. These are places you can put your services and start attracting customers. And you have here get started. Let's get started for Upwork. Make sure you fill everything. Like if you come to Upwork here, you have I am a client hiring for a project. I am a freelancer looking for work. Then select I'm a freelancer looking for work. Select here. Then go ahead, apply as a freelancer. Then when you apply let's have it the way it is. Apply as a freelancer. You can continue with Google, you can continue with your Apple, and when you finish, create your own gig. You can copy what you have in Fiverr, place it in this particular place, and continue to work in this freelancer of a thing to do the same thing. And for you to scale this business, the next thing you can do is to go to Facebook, create a Facebook profile or a Facebook page. Put this particular service that you are offering. Begin to invite your friends. Begin to tell people. Put it on your WhatsApp status. Put it on your Twitter status. Put it on your Instagram. Begin to invite people. Begin to tell people that you can do this kind of service for them. You'll be able to help them to do this. And the platform you can use to get paid here in Nigeria, you can use Payoneer, you can use PayPal, you can also use Grey Account. I'm going to make a video on these ones for you to be able to know the accounts you can use for you to receive your money here in Nigeria. So when you take this thing seriously, before you know what is happening, you must have built a very big online errand running services. And from there, you can start hiring people. And when you find out that what you have done is actually becoming bigger, you can start hiring people that will help you to extend it to other states. Probably, for instance, now if you're based in Lagos and you want to cover other states like Port Harcourt, like Abuja, like Enugu, you can now increase your services. Get people who are going to help you do these services and you pay them. And sometimes you can hire these services based on your gigs on Fiverr. Get these services. If those services are required to be done in Enugu, you send it to all your representatives, all your agents across the country, and once they do it, you pay them and get your own commission. So I'm sure you're going to take this thing very seriously, and before you know what is happening, you will start earning in dollars here in Nigeria. Please, if you have derived value from this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up, consider sharing it with your family members, and more importantly, turn on the bell notification so that each time I upload a new video, you will always be notified by Facebook Please, if you have a question, if you have a comment, go to the comment section, begin to drop it. If there's anything you want me to also talk about in my video, go to the comment section and begin to say it. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your time. See you.